In this video,
Best cordless electric lawn mower.
It can be a bit tricky to find the best products with a wide range of options available. That's why we spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews in preparing this list. Our final rankings based on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. If you'd like to see their price and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description down below. Let's get started with the list.
Best cordless electric lawn mower.
Starting off our list at number 5.
Introducing the new 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless mower. Part of the 40-volt Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from BLACK+DECKER. These products kick gas. Our 40-volt Max cordless mower is battery-powered, has an easy start button, and is a smart, no-mess, no-hassle alternative to gas-powered lawnmowers. This cordless mower is sold with two 40-volt Max lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, which combined deliver up to 30 minutes of mowing. And the battery features a state of charge indicator. This mower is designed for cutting efficiency. Weighing only 38 pounds, the cordless mower is lightweight, compact, and easy to maneuver for great cutting results. The 16-inch deck is ideal for smaller yards, up to 1/8 of an acre. And the durable and lightweight cutting deck never rusts and is easy to clean. The soft fabric of the grass bag allows for easy checking by tapping the bag from the bottom to see if it is full. This mower features a cutting height range of 1 to 3 inches, and a handy single lever height adjustment raises all 4 wheels at the same time. For convenient storage, the mower's handles fold down over the mower, so it fits nicely in small spaces in sheds or garages. The 40-volt Max lithium-ion cordless mower from BLACK+DECKER.
And these are our ratings for this product. Number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list.
Cutting-edge grass grooming tech meets the 24V Ion Plus series with the 48-volt cordless lawnmower by Sunjoe. Powered by the exclusive Ion Plus lithium-ion battery system, Sunjoe includes two 24-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries for up to 65 minutes of rechargeable runtime with 0 carbon emissions for cleaner air. No more gas, fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords. Just the ultimate in cordless convenience. Sunjoe's 670-watt brushless motor is engineered for efficiency, providing you with maximum performance and extended motor life to keep your mower running stronger, longer. The durable steel blade mows up 17 inches wide in a single pass for an exceptional trim every time. Customize your cut to suit your lawn. The 6 adjustable height settings from 1 inch to 3 inches provides a perfect and precise trim every time. And for easy cleanup, Sunjoe's included 11-gallon grass bag collects clippings as you mow to prevent thick thatching. When the work is done, simply plug the battery packs into the included dual-port charger and get powered up in just under 2 hours. And for continued peace of mind, Sunjoe's backed by a full 2-year warranty for reliable performance you can count on. So when there's work to be done, go with Joe for the legendary power and performance of the 24V X2 17LM 48-volt cordless lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. These are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best cordless electric lawn mower.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.